would have enjoyed it. So today I'm going to explain you how to make it, but it is a long procedure, so I will be taking parts, breaking it into parts to make it easier. And don't worry, it is going to be completely easy. So the topic, tic tac toe. Okay. So the first thing, we'll remove the sprite because we don't need a cat in the game. So we will be creating a backdrop and we'll choose the paint option. After we do so, we will be using the lines to create the tic-tac-toe. So first line, everyone knows how a tic-tac-toe looks, so it will be easier to draw it. You will be have you will be very familiar to the figure, so there will be no need to extend it longer. Okay, so here's the tic-tac-toe. It doesn't matter how it looks because the coding is the main thing, and that will decide your game how it is going to be. So we'll be writing, let's, you can choose any color. For now I have used purple. Like, you can choose any color from here. If you want to choose red, you can choose red, but for now I'll be using black to make it look decent. So let's play tic tac tac toe. I have done this because it looks like we are starting the game. And while we start the game, there's the exclamation. This is the first backdrop. So it's like we are going to start the game and play it. So to encourage the players to play. And you can keep it wherever you want. Like, it's not necessary to keep it on the top, but I am keeping it on the top for now. You can make the size as much big as you want. So the next thing is add one more backdrop, but instead of doing that, you can do is duplicate one and delete the first one now. So when you have duplicated this, you don't need to draw it again and again. So you will just need to erase this. Let's, if you wanna keep it, there is no problem, but if you don't, you can remove it if you don't have enough space. But I have the space below, so I'll be using it here. So here the text will be, the winner is, and giving a colon. So it indicates that who the winner is. But this all backdrops will be used when the game will end. And we'll be making one more backdrop, which will be, there are three probabilities when you play a tic-tac-toe. See, in this we have two probabilities actually, but in this we have the third one because we have the, what we say, the cover page kind of thing to start the game. In the second we have two probabilities, right? I was talking about that. So in that we have that either someone wins or someone or there is a draw. If someone is going to win, then the winner's name will be right here. But if there is a draw, so we will have to do something for it too. So we will be making duplicate of it by a right click, and you will just have to erase this and right here it's a draw, full stop. And if you wanna add something, then you can add that nobody wins. Okay, so that's much for this session. Next part will be continuing the coding. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you are new to the channel, so that you stay updated and receive the part 2 and the later parts.